In this video, we learn about trigonometric ratio, and this is the first introduction class. This is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Now we have 6 trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. These are the 6 trigonometric ratio. So first you have to understand that whatever angle you will be take in your trigonometric ratio. Suppose I am writing sine A. It means your angle is A. So there are 3 things: perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is always fixed. The longest side of the triangle is hypotenuse. In front of 90 degree, the side means in this figure the side AC is your hypotenuse. But as you change the angle, your perpendicular and base will also change. Suppose sine A, then we are discussing about the angle A. In front of that side is always perpendicular, then the rest is base. Understand this. Sine A, then we are discussing about angle A. So in front of angle A, the side BC, then BC we have to consider as perpendicular and AB is base. Now suppose you have to find sine C. So in this case you change your angle, now your angle is C. Then in front of C, this is the C angle, in front of C the side AB will now consider as perpendicular and this is considered as a base. So we will change the perpendicular and base according to the angle. In front of the angle, the side is always considered perpendicular, hypotenuse is fixed in every case, and the third one, the rest one is considered as a base. Now we know how we find the values. This is a simple trick that you have to learn. P, B, P, H, H, B, and then divide this. We can say 8P. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. So Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. Now we written in form P, B, P, H, H, B. Okay, and then divide in this sequence. So this part is your sine A, sine theta or sine A. This is your cos and this one is your tan. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol, and the first one is your sine. Means the formula of sine is equal to P by H, means perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Similarly, formula of cos is equal to B by H. B by H, base by hypotenuse. Tan theta formula is P by B. Tan is P by B. So perpendicular divided by base. This is the easiest form to learn this. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. Then we divide that in 3 parts: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. And as you know, the reciprocals formula, sine is reciprocal of cosec. Means we can write sine is equal to 1 by cosec. Similarly, cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Okay, so sine and cosec are reciprocal related to each other. After that, cos is equal to 1 by sec. And sec is equal to 1 by cos. So cos and sec are reciprocally related to each other. And then tan is equal to 1 by cot and cot is equal to 1 by tan. We have 6 trigonometric ratio: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. And this is the reciprocal relations. Sine and cosec are reciprocal related to each other, cos and sec, and tan and cot. The formula of sine is equal to P by H. It means the formula of cosec will be H by P. And with the same, we can consider cos is equal to B by H. So sec is equal to H by B. Similarly for tan, it is P by B. So for cot, it will be B by P. First question, if sin A is equal to 8 by 17, find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. So first you make a small right angle triangle, that is right angle at B. This is your A and C, and the question is based on angle A. So this is your angle, children. So as you know the angle, first you write down all three things, which is base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse, in always in front of 90 degree, the longest side, and your angle is A, then BC is considered as P, perpendicular, okay, and AB is your base, B. So these three sides are there. Now sine theta is equal to, we know, P by H. So it is already mentioned sine A is equal to 8 by 17, means P value is 8, so this side is mentioned 8, and H is 17, so hypotenuse is 17. First you have to find your base. Use the Pythagoras theorem, then find the base. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is your hypotenuse square, is equal to AB square plus BC square, and we have to find AB square. So AB square is equal to AC square, that is 17 square, minus BC square, 8 square. 17 square is 289, minus 64, it will be 225. So value of AB means value of your base will be 15. This is 15. Now we know all the three values, P, H and B. All three values we know. Now we have to find all the other trigonometric ratio. Again you write that formula. Initially you have to write down it. So this is related to sine. Sine value is already given. So we can write, if it is given sine A is equal to 8 by 17, then cosec A will be 17 by 8 by the reciprocal formula. Then we come to cos. Cos A is equal to B, yani base divided by hypotenuse. So your B by H, that will be 15 by 17. So cos A is equal to 15 by 17. Then what will be sec A? Sec A will be 17 by 15. Now tan A, we know tan A is equal to P by B. So P by B means 8 by 15. Then the reciprocal cot A is equal to 15 by 8. These are all 6 trigonometric ratios for angle A.